Hello, classmate. My name is Alvaro Alexander Vargas Gomez, and today I want to practice about the sounds of the symbol of phonetics. Let's go to practice. Z, for example, dog. T, for example, T. V, for example, video. And for example, fly. For example, boot. um, P, for example, P. G, for example, go. K, for example, car. And for example, think. For example, this. S, for example, see. Z, for example, zoo. And ch, for example, show. And ch, for example, television. And j, for example, cheese. G, for example, June. H, for example, hat. R, for example, red. G, for example, yes. M, for example, man. N, for example, now. And, for example, sin. U, for example, love. And the woo, for example, wit. That is the pronunciation of song about the phonetics. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.